How to find recently watched reels on Facebook and replay. So if you want to find recently watched reels on Facebook and replay it, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now go for the upper right, which has that three dot icon, and scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And here you need to go for settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and you will find an option of activity log. Simply tap on the activity log. And under activity log, you need to choose your activity across Facebook or your Facebook activity, which is on the first option. And then scroll down and you will find Reels option. Tap on Reels or tap on the drop down bar, and then you can choose your reels, the audio that you've saved, or the effects that you've saved, or the clips that you've saved. So you can simply tap on your reels. Once you tap on it, here you will find all of the reels that you have recently watched or that you have shared, or you can also go back and sometimes Facebook will convert your reels to videos. So what you need to do is go for post, and under post you need to go for manage post. And here if you tap on manage post, here you will have all of the information or all of the history of the videos that you've watched. So that's how you can find the recently watched reels on your Facebook, and you can tap on it to replay. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.